Hi, I'm Sammy, from Fawziacademy. In this video, I will talk about object bounding boxes disappear. You don't see the bounding boxes, the white selection brackets, on selected objects in the viewport. Press the keyboard shortcut J to toggle the display of the bounding boxes, selection brackets, on selected objects. You can set the display options for selected objects on the rendering method panel of the viewport configuration dialog box. Click Views menu, Viewport Configuration on the Rendering Method tab. Select the Use Selection Bracket checkbox to show the bounding boxes. Clear the checkbox to hide the bounding boxes. Hope this information is helpful. Thank you for watching Fawziacademy. Please like, subscribe, share this video, and visit our website, fawziacademy.com.